I'm John Andrus, Director of Technology at Andrus Construction. We are out here today at Outlook at Windhaven in Plano, Texas. Right now we're in the laydown yard. This is where we put all the material and stage all the material before it goes into the building. BR code can get used there. When the material gets on site, it places BR code on the material if it doesn't have it on there already, and take a picture of it. And then that will actually put the GPS location from where your phone was and tag it to the map so that someone else can go and find it easy later. We're on a 60-acre site right now, and it can be dropped off anywhere. And so knowing where it is can save you a lot of time. When these condensers arrived on site, we put BR code labels on them, and that's how we tracked that they got here and they were in good condition. And we took pictures of them. So when they get installed on the roof, we're going to basically go and use the BitRip app to change the status of those from arrived on site to installed. When they're commissioned, we'll change the status to commissioned. This is a mock-up of what the building is going to look like. We use this mock-up to basically show the architect and design team what options they have, what color choices there are, what different products look like, and how they all work together. It's our opportunity to basically see how they all work together and make sure everything's going to fit right on the building when we go there. And then as we get submittals back online, we've linked those URLs to the BR code labels, and anyone can come up and scan them as long as they have access online to see the status of that submittal.
BR Code. Stick, scan, connect.